Today's date is 1st of September. The year is 2020 and today's day is Tuesday. In our numeracy class, we are going to revise the vocabulary that we use to compare different sizes. Yes? So when we are comparing an object according to its length, we use the words longer or shorter. Yes? And again, we also use the words wider and narrower. Yes? So let us look at an example that I have in front of me to understand these terms better. Okay? So let us have a look at this first one. So here we are revising the terms longer, shorter. Yeah, these are opposite words which we use when we are comparing sizes. Yes? So here I have two pencils with me. Yeah? So we are going to compare them according to their length. Yeah? If I keep them just very near to each other, you can see that the blue pencil is longer. Yes, isn't it longer? The blue pencil is longer and the orange pencil is shorter. Yes, so the blue pencil is long and the orange pencil is short. But now when I'm comparing the two pencils, yeah, at least I need two objects to compare. Yeah, so when I'm comparing, I will say that the blue pencil is longer than the orange pencil. Yes, the blue pencil is longer, but it is longer than. I have to compare it, right? When I'm using the words longer than, so I should have another object. So here the other object is the orange pencil. So the blue pencil is longer than the orange pencil. Okay. And the orange pencil is shorter. It is short. But when I'm using the word shorter than, I need another pencil to compare. So when I say that the orange pencil is short, that's okay. I don't need another pencil. But when I'm using the word shorter than, I need another pencil to compare. So I use the orange pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. I'm comparing it with the blue pencil. Yes? So again, we revise the words. The blue pencil is longer than the orange pencil. And the orange pencil is shorter than the blue pencil. Yes. Now let us have a look at this one. The terms that we are going to use here are wider and narrower. Yes. So now have a look at this red paper. This one. So this paper is wide. Isn't it wide? This paper is wide. Whereas the second one is narrow. It is narrow. This is wide and this is narrow. Yes, so these are the terms that I use. Wide, narrow. But I will use the words wider than or narrower than when I'm comparing the two paper. Okay, so how will I use it? So we know that this paper is wide. Okay, so now I'm going to use the word wider than. So the first red paper is wider than the second red paper. Yes, so I have to compare. In this case, this is the narrow one. This is narrow. Yes, now this is narrower than. I use the word narrower than to compare. The second paper is narrower than the first red paper. Yes? So the words that are used here are, the first red paper is wider than the second paper, and the second red paper is narrower than the first paper. So this is wide, this is narrow. Yes? So we have revised the two terms, longer than and shorter than. And the second one that we revised today are wider than and narrower than.